this video, I'm now going to show you how to modify this code so that we create not just a sunlight sensor, but a night light sensor. So what that means is when my Microbit light sensor detects a low light level to indicate it's nighttime, then an image will pop up on my Microbit. And if it's a highlight level to indicate it's daytime, then the sun will appear on the Microbit. So let's have a look at how we can build this code. So I'm going to use what I've already created as my base code, but this time I'm going to actually delete this clear screen. So I'm just going to pick it up and hover it over the side and drop it in there. Then I'm going to open up this condition block. So at the moment I've given it one option, a binary option. If this, do this, else do that. I'm actually going to give it a second option. So we've got if this, or that, or that. So there's three kind of options for the Microbit to choose from. The plus at the bottom, and that'll open up a new option for me to work with. And you can see it now says if, then, else, if, whatever's in here, then else. So option 1, option 2, and then option 3. Now I need to put something in this triangular shape. So I'm going to left click on that triangle with my comparative block in there, and I'm going to duplicate this. So you can see now I have a copy of it. I'm going to pick it up, I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to pop it inside that triangle area. I'm then going to use the drop-down menu again, and this time I'm going to select the less than symbol. So last time we used the greater than symbol, which was pointing toward the 100. This time I'm going to use the less than symbol, which is pointing away from the 100. So I've just essentially said to my Microbit, if you detect a light level that's less than 100, I want you to do this. And this is whatever we put inside here. And so I'm going to pop in there that I want to see a different image on my Microbit. So I'm going to click back on basic and grab another show LED block. And then inside this one, I'm just going to select a different image. So you can pop in whatever you like. I'm just going to pop in or turn on all the lights so that I want to see all the lights light up red if the light level is less than 100. And then the third option is I just want to see nothing. So pop in that clear screen. So now when we look at my code, we've said to the Microbit, if the light level is greater than 100, show me the sun. Else, if the light level is less than 100, show me the square. And then in the event that it's none of those, then show me a clear screen. Let's quickly test it on our emulator. I move over to my emulator. I'm going to press play. And you can see it's already set to a value of 128. So that's higher than 100. So my sun is shining. If I toggle the green up and make the value less than 100, so I've just made it 15, you can see that the square is showing. And if I toggle it back down, my sun is showing. See if you can add some more bits of code onto that. Maybe you can add on a sound so that if the light level is higher than 100, the Microbit adds a